Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. I'm Amanda, and today we are making a delicious blueberry bundt cake with a cream cheese icing, the perfect cake for the summer. In a large bowl, you're going to combine 2 cups of cake flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Use a whisk to mix everything really well. Next, you're going to add half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 3 large eggs. Again, you're going to whisk until everything is nice and smooth and your batter doesn't have any clumps. Last, you're going to fold in 1 cup of fresh blueberries into your cake batter. Once that's done, pour your batter into a bundt pan that's been generously greased, and then tap your bundt pan on your countertop to release any air bubbles. You're going to bake your bundt cake in an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a cake tester inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow your cake to cool in the bundt pan for 30 minutes, then overturn your cake onto a wire rack and let it cool completely. You're going to make your cream cheese frosting using 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of softened salted butter. Use an electric hand mixer to mix everything together. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and again, you're going to mix with your electric mixer until your frosting is nice and smooth. Once your cake has cooled, you're going to warm your frosting in a microwave on 20-second intervals until your frosting has become kind of liquid. You'll pour your frosting over the cake and you'll let the cake sit for about 10 minutes until the frosting has set. Then you can slice and serve. Our cake is done, and not only is it perfect to eat, but it is also perfect for summer. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and join me again next week.